Hi, I'm Miku.
I'm Tati.
We are traveling around Japan to introduce major tourist spots from all 47 prefectures.
So, if you're interested in Japan or planning to visit in the future, you'll find our channel helpful.
But today, we'll show you how we actually traveling and living in Nissan NV200. This is our car. NV200 is not so big compared to other types of vans such as NV350 or Toyota Hiace.
So, we have to carefully think about how we could make the most of the limited space. Please have a look inside. As you can see, it's not very spacious.
So now, we'll tell you how we live in this van. We'll cover the following topics.
The first priority was bed. But as you can see, our car is too small to put a ready-made bed in it.
So, we made one.
Yes!
We drew a blueprint, got materials, and assembled it.
And this is it. When we sleep, we just pull it out, put the mattress on, and sleep. It's completely flat. And we use the space below the bed as storage.
Because we shoot and edit as we travel, power source is essential for us. So, this Jackery portable battery is our reliable companion.
You can charge an average laptop over 10 times. And if it's a smartphone, 100 times. And you can charge the battery itself while you are driving or using a solar panel.
We can't imagine our journey without this battery.
These are our closet. We keep most of our clothes in these boxes. These big ones are for her, and these small ones for me.
In terms of laundry, laundromat is pretty much everywhere. And we do laundry every 4 or 5 days. It costs around $15.
These are our gears, cameras, and laptops.
The problem is, in summer, it gets really hot inside the car.
To protect the gears from the heat, we've got this cooler, or esky in Australia.
We put our gears in this cooler. It's actually really handy because it can also be used as a table. We sometimes go to cafe to do some editing once or twice a week.
But of course, we work in our car as well. Let us show you this suitcase. This is not an ordinary one, but you can actually sit on it. And of course, you can put things in it. It has actually a really good capacity. In this way, we can make use of the dead space.
When we work on our laptop, we sit on them, put our laptop on the bed. And the cooler can serve as a side table. At night, we turn on this rechargeable light. Technology is what makes our van life possible. We are so grateful. We don't cook because cookware takes up space and it's kind of dangerous to use gas in this tiny space. But we've never had any problem with that so far.
For breakfast, I only take protein shake, and she eats nuts.
For lunch, we usually eat at restaurants to enjoy local cuisines. Trying local delicacy is a big part of our journey.
And for dinner, we get prepared dishes at supermarket or convenience store.
In total, food expense is about $20 to $30 a day.
One of the greatest things about doing van life in Japan is public bath. It wouldn't be wrong to say that every town has at least one bathhouse.
Thanks to that, we can take bath every day. and it costs only $4 to $8 per person. Thank you for watching our video. We're currently traveling around Japan to capture the beauty of this country and share it with you.
Many tourists visit Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, but there are more hidden gems all over Japan. We are going to visit all 47 prefectures to show you as many attractions as possible.
If you are planning to visit Japan in the future, why don't you subscribe and join our journey? We'd love to share our content as many people as possible.
And you'll figure out which prefecture to visit when you come to Japan.
On 3, please hit the subscribe button.
Yes, please aim at the red button around here.
Okay, 1, 2,
3.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks again.
And please don't forget to subscribe.